Hi, I'm Mrs. Winnicky, and I'm the Director of Summer School this year. I've created this orientation video to share some information that I really believe will be helpful to you over the next 6 weeks. So let's take a look. Important dates. June 3rd, classes begin, and you will have all of your login information in the summer school letter that was sent out to you. And if you've watched this orientation video, then that means your course will be activated and you will be ready to go on June 3rd. I definitely recommend that you start right away on June 3rd and start plugging away. These 6 weeks will go fast. On July 4th, our lab will be closed, and I will go over lab information in just a moment, so hopefully you'll get to celebrate on the 4th of July. The lab will be open every day from 9 until noon for end of course final exams, and I will go over that in a moment, but that is July 8th through the 12th. And then on July 12th, summer school ends and the courses close promptly at 12 p.m., noon. So there will not be any exceptions, so I will go over some time management tips, but we will be closing the courses at noon on July 12th. So the summer school lab will be located at McDowell in Pod A in room A2. And I will be able to text you or send you a map of McDowell and where my office or the lab is located. So you can text that hotline, and I'll go over the hotline in just a minute. This lab can be used for a quiet study area or help with your coursework, or if you need some technical assistance, your Chromebook's not working, or tips, things like that. So the lab will always be open on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 until noon, except on the 4th of July. The hotline. The summer school hotline can be used at any time to receive course help, technical assistance, or to ask any questions related to summer school. And this is new this year, but I'm really excited about it. I know that it may not be feasible for all of you to come into the lab, so I wanted to be accessible in some way, and I found that we were going to try the hotline and see how it works. So texting is the easiest way to get in touch with me if you need summer school help. The number is 812-603-9283, and I found out that it spells WAVE. So if it's easier for you to remember the hotline by typing in 812-603-WAVE, that is an option. Time management. I have been working with virtual courses over this entire year, and so I have some tips for you to be successful. Get started right away on June 3rd. Don't wait for a week or two to get logged in and started in the courses. You will be overwhelmed if you do that, but if you get started right away, I think that you will find that it's pretty easy to get through the courses in time. Look at the course outline and figure out how many units you will need to complete each week. So that may be different for different courses, but you have only 6 weeks to complete the course. So if there are 12 units to take care of, you will know that you need to complete 2 units a week. And so I really recommend that you do that as you get started. Set aside time each day to work on the course. So if that's early in the morning for you, if it's late at night, some students find that they work better if they get out of their rooms, their bedroom, or if they even get out of the house. So go to Starbucks, go to a fast food restaurant, go to the public library, or come to the lab. But set aside time each day to work on the course. And if you finish early, you can be finished. So if you just plug away and it only takes you 4 weeks to get the entire course done, then kudos to you. You can come take the final exam on Tuesday or Thursday when the lab is open, and you can be done with summer school. So I want to help you be successful. So any tips or tricks or help that I can give you, I would be willing to do that. And get help right away from me if you get stuck in any way, or if something doesn't make sense or something's not working. So if you're taking a Plato course, you will need to take an end-of-course exam. If you're taking one of the It's Learning courses, this does not apply to you. So at the end of your course, you will need to come to the McDowell Summer School Lab to take your end of course exam. The lab will be open, as I said, from July 8th through the 12th on Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And I've given the location again. And again, you can text the hotline if you need a map sent to you. If you borrowed a BCSC Chromebook, I'm asking that you turn it in at this time. And if you end up having a Chromebook and are taking one of the It's Learning courses, I will probably have you return your Chromebook when you get your device for your laptop for the upcoming school year. So we'll probably switch out then, or you can bring the Chromebook to me at McDowell anytime. And like I said earlier, your success in summer school is very, very important to me. My goal is 100% completion, so that means if you are listening to this orientation video, I am expecting you and encouraging you, and my goal is for you to complete your course. So I will be contacting you and your parents if you're not logging in or if you fall behind in any way. And if you find that you're a student that needs those accountability check-ins, if you need or want me to send you a daily check-in text or a weekly check-in text, I would be happy to do that. So these 6 weeks will fly by. Thank you for watching this orientation video, and I look forward to working with you this year.